The High Court has called a halt to the planned auction of radio frequency spectrum licenses. The court awarded applicants ETV and Telkom the interdict against the Independent Communications Authority of South Africa. It bars ICASA from assessing or adjudicating any applications received under its invitation to the spectrum auction. Lawyer Anthony Norton is advising our sister station ETV on the matter.
What ICASA is proposing is that spectrum that ETV uses to broadcast its signal will be sold pursuant to the spectrum auction, and that spectrum will be sold to a variety of telecoms operators, whoever wins that particular auction. Now, originally what was proposed was a process of what was called digital migration, and basically what that meant was that television signals would be moved from an analog spectrum to a digital spectrum, and that households would then still be able to receive the television signal. But ICASA has now proposed in a sudden about turn that they will instantly auction the analog spectrum which ETV currently uses, and that will instantly, post the auction, go to whoever wins that particular auction. Now, what that will mean is that ETV will no longer be able to broadcast its television signal in the same way as it currently does today. And what ICASA has proposed is that ETV will have to share its spectrum with whichever telecoms company wins the spectrum auction. Now, that raises serious practical problems because of signal interference, etc., which will fundamentally mean that ETV won't be able to broadcast its television as it currently does. And I think that's really the principal problem and issue here from an ETV perspective.